Hello everyone, my name is Callum Quinn and I'm the first author of this publication, and I'm currently working as a postdoctoral research associate at the University of Manchester. Our group is primarily interested in understanding the mechanisms that regulate cardiac excitation-contraction coupling, both in the healthy heart and in diseases such as heart failure and arrhythmias. Our review focuses on a protein called dysferlin, which has been well studied in skeletal muscle due to the fact that mutations within the dysferlin gene lead to a specific type of limb girdle muscular dystrophy known as dysferlinopathy, and some of those patients develop cardiomyopathy and rhythm disorders. Dysferlin has a very diverse function in skeletal muscle as it regulates membrane repair, t-tubule dynamics, and excitation-contraction coupling, and the tight regulation of all those processes is essential to maintain muscle health. Emerging evidence suggests that dysferlin may also regulate these processes in cardiac myocytes, which are very similar in structure and function to skeletal muscle cells, but the role of dysferlin in the heart is not very well understood. In this publication, we highlight the uncertainty around the mechanisms by which mutations in dysferlin drive dysferlinopathy, and we suggest that dysregulation of intracellular calcium handling may be an unappreciated factor in the progression of this muscular dystrophy phenotype. We also suggest that recent findings showing that a loss of dysferlin causes maladaptive remodeling in the cardiac calcium handling machinery and EC coupling pathway should encourage us to focus more on dysferlin as an important protein in cardiac physiology. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about our publication that was published in the Journal of Physiology. The full paper was published in volume 602, issue 8. If you have any more questions, please contact the corresponding author, Dibb, at catherine.dibb@manchester.ac.uk.